What's up, guys and gals? This is Mr. Bass, and this is a video that was fun to make. A little sad because this property that this pond is on, I've done several videos there, is kind of been my pet project. My brother owns a property and I've helped him stock the pond and keep it healthy with good sized fish. And some days the fishing's great and some days it's really tough. And today my brother has sold the property, so today I went out, and this is the last time I think I'm going to get to fish it because the new owner's going to get it. It was super windy out there, and I started finesse fishing with Ned rigs and things like that, and just could not get a bite, even back in the cove back there where there was no wind. I just could not get a bite at all. So then I fished around the whole lake, and really the wind was blowing up against the dam side of the pond, and normally you want to go to that side where the wind's blowing. And so that's what I did. Started throwing a spinnerbait, started catching them, and then a chatterbait, and caught even more. And what was really fun is the ones I did catch were all really healthy, nice fish. So it was really fun, and hope you enjoy it. And if so, and you find it entertaining or helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks a lot. We got some wind. Definitely got wind today. We're gonna throw the spinnerbait a little bit. There's one. Yeah, that's a good one. Stay on, baby. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Mr. Fishy. Good fish. Stay on. Stay on. He hit it hard, but I don't feel like I set the hook very hard. Oh, yeah. That's what we're talking about. Yee! How about that, Ange? Big fishy. Look at that. Want to come check him out? Look at that. Hey, hey, hey. How about it? Bam. Bam. All right, I got to get off the rocks here. Got us a fish on the spinnerbait. And the howling wind. Crazy wind. See you, big mama. Thank you. Let's catch another one. Let's catch another big one like that. That guy was close to 4 pounds. Man, I'd almost be better off fishing from the bank if I could get the right angle, because trying to maneuver this boat in these winds is insane. Just saying, it's insane. Absolutely crazy. Insane. And then you get a gust like that, and it's all over. It's all over. Oh, got either grass or a big fish. That's a big fish. That's a big... Oh, no, he was just in grass. Oh, he still feels good, though. He still feels good. Oh, he is good. We got a good one. We got a good one on. We got a good one on. Let's hope he stays on. Fish on. He's staying down. He is staying down like he does not want to come up. He hit hard. I felt like I had a huge monster on. And then he kind of came to the top and I thought maybe not, but he's still pulling like he's a big fish. I've only seen glimpses of him so far. Come up here. He's staying down. He is really staying down. Oh, he's not huge, but he's fat. Man, another good fish. Look at that guy. That's another one close to 4 pounds. Wow. And they are fat. Look at that. There's some fat fish, Andy. Fat fish for sure. Man, that's number 2 in a row. Woohoo! Nice. Good deal. Look at that, Ange. Let's crop him up here so you can see him. See you, buddy. Away he goes, straight to the bottom. Perfect. Was so much fun. Oh, please tell me there's more. Let's try the chatterbait just for a second. I mean, what do we got to lose? Imagination or... Oh, there's one. Oh yeah, that's a good fish. Woo! That's a good fish, boys. He has got shoulders. He is yanking. He is cranking. Oh snap. This is a monster. Oh baby. Stay on, stay on, stay on. Just come right over here. Oh baby. That is a frigging beast. Woo! Look at that, man. Monster. Monster bass. Oh, I am glad I threw the chatterbait. Look at that, Ange. He's as big as you are. Monster bass. As big as the dog. Giant. Holy cow. Ginormous. Gotta get the scale on this one. Amazing. Can't keep her out of water this one. Gotta go. Gotta go. 6 pounds, baby. 6 pound bass. What a beautiful fish. 6 pounds. Bam. Got to get her back in the water. Got to get her back in the water. Oh, what a beauty. Oh, yeah. Look at her. There she goes. Bam. Woohoo. Got one. Oh man, another good fish. Not a 6 pounder, but definitely first cast. First cast. Woo! That is fish number 4. How about that? Bam! That's what we want, isn't it, Ange? Check him out. Oh yeah. Does he smell okay? See ya. Perfect. There's one. Oh, he feels good. Good fish. Stay on, baby. Stay on. Wait for that bank and I can land him, hopefully. Come on, fishy. Oh, yeah, good fish. Good fish. Pulling. Woo! Look at that one. Another big fish. Wow. Oh man, this is turning out to be a great day of fishing. The last day to ever fish my brother's pond, and it's rewarding me. Thank you, baby. This is another picture-worthy fish, Ange. This is it. Nope, right. Boys, what a beautiful fish. Awesome. Away he goes. There's one. There's one. Another good fish. Man, oh man. Oh, do not come off. Oh. That's my smallest fish, and he's probably 3 pounds. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Amazing. That's the smallest fish of the day. Boy, I'll take that all day long. Smallest fish. Woo! Bam! That is a beautiful thing. Shall we catch another one? Should we catch another one? Should we catch another fish? What do you think, buddy? How about it? Should we catch another one? I agree. Let's do it. He was on and came off and then was back. It's a good fish. He's a good fish. How about that? Another very good fish on the chatterbait. Wow. Nice. Yep, man, when this is your small fish, you're having a good day. Let's face it. A very good day. How about that? Bam. So this is what I've been catching them on today. Other than the spinnerbait, this has been the big fish catcher. This is my favorite chatterbait on the market. It's called the rumble fish, and they're hard to find because they don't make them anymore. It's got these holes, which I think helps with vibration. It's got these nickel blades and green blades that I like. It's got a good color pattern. I put a Yamamoto Zaco on it, and I doctor it up to make, there's bluegill in here, so a little bit of chartreuse, a little bit of orange underneath. This is a fish catching machine. I can tell you, it is just a blast fishing with this rumble fish.